Good morning, class 10. Student, today we will learn the sum of n terms of an AP. So, topic is sum of n terms in AP. Student, let n terms are a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on, and the last term is L. Then we have to find the sum of all these terms. Student, let this sum is S. So S equal to a plus d plus a plus 2d plus and so on, and the last term is L. Second last term is L minus d, and the third last term L minus 2d. Student, you know the value of L equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, student, if we write the term from end to beginning, if we interchange this order, then sum will not change. So if we write x equal to L plus L minus d plus L minus 2d plus and so on, it is a plus 2d plus a plus d plus a. Then this sum is also S. Student, is very simple, as you know. If we add from 1 to 100, then we will get some particular addition. If we interchange the numbers 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97 plus 96 plus 95 and so on till 1, then addition will not change. That is also same. So same logic we are applying here. Now adding S plus S is 2S. It is here dd cancel. Here 2d and 2d cancel. Minus 2d minus plus 2d cancel. dd cancel here. Then now S plus S is 2S. Its addition is a plus L. It is also a plus L. Addition of second bracket is a plus L. Addition of third bracket is also a plus L. Their addition L plus A. It is L plus A. It is L plus A. Student, as you know, there are n terms. There are n terms. So if we add all these similar terms, their addition will be n into a plus n. It is the repetition of same terms, and there are n terms. Number of terms are n. They are not 6. They are n terms. Therefore, 2s equal to n into a plus n. And if we find s, so s equal to n by 2 a plus n. This is the formula of sum of n terms of an AP. Student, if we put the value of L, then this addition becomes, if we put L, then S equal to n by 2 bracket a plus value of L is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. So there is a formula of S. It is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or we can say it is the sum of n terms of an AP. Student, now exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Find the sum of the following APs. First part, here AP is 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Student, here A equal to 2, common difference D, it is 7 minus 2 or it is 5, n equal to 10, and you know the formula of Sn, sum of 10 terms, S10 equal to n by 2, bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now n equal to 10, 10 upon 2, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 and D equal to 5. Then 2 5 are 10, 5, 4 plus 9 into 5. It is 5 into 9 5 are 45, 45 plus 4 is 49. Then 5 9 are 45, carry 4, 5 4 are 20 and 20 plus 4 is 24. So sum of 10 terms S10 equal to 245. Student, now question number 2. First part. Find the sums given below. Here S equal to 7 plus 10 whole 1 by 2 plus 14 plus and so on plus 84. Student, 84 is the last term and we are not knowing n. So L equal to 84. We have to find n. L equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. It is 84. A equal to 7 plus n minus 1 and D equal to 10 whole 1 by 2 minus 7, it is 3 whole 1 by 2, or we can write 7 by 2. So it is 7 by 2 equal to 84. 7 is common. It is 1 plus n minus 1 into 1 upon 2 equal to 84. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 40. Then n minus 1 upon 2 equal to 11. Subtract 1 here. Then n minus 1 upon 1 equal to 22. Cross multiply. Then n equal to 23. There are 23 terms. We have to find the Sn. So formula of Sn is n by 2 a plus L. Here n is 23 upon 2, a is 7, L is 84. Then 23 upon 2 into their addition is 91. Then multiplying them, 91 into 23. 3 1 is 3, 3 9 is 27. Then 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18. Their addition is 3902 divided by 2. So sum of all term is 2093 upon 2. Student, now question 3. In an AP given, first part, A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN is 50. Find N and SN. SN is the sum of N terms of an AP. Student, as you know, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. It is 50 equal to 5 plus N minus 1 and D equal to 3. It is 45 equal to N minus 1 into 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. So N equal to 16. Now Sn is N by 2 A plus An. An means L. The last term. Now 16 upon 2 A equal to 5 plus An. An is 50. Then it is A into 55. Now 8 5 ja 40, carry 4, 8 5 ja 40 and 4. It is, so sum of n term is 440. This way we will find the sum of n terms. Sn equal to 440.